Listen up, you say you're too busy to eat healthy? That's just an excuse. You want to get lean, feel fantastic, and have energy, but think you don't have time. Think again. Today, I'll show you how to take back control of your kitchen and your waistline. We're making 10 fast, healthy, and delicious meal prep ideas, each under 10 minutes, perfect for busy professionals. Forget sad sandwiches and overpriced salads. We're building a powerhouse menu that works as hard as you do. These recipes are speedy, packed with nutrients, and bursting with flavor. Ready to transform meal prep from a chore into a victory? Let's go! First up, let's talk about your new secret weapon for effortless healthy eating, the cold green pasta bowl. This isn't just another salad, it's a game changer for busy days and hungry moments. Forget those bland supermarket pasta salads. This version is vibrant, elegant, and absolutely packed with fresh, nourishing ingredients. Every bite bursts with color and flavor, making it as beautiful as it is delicious. Start by prepping a batch of whole wheat or chickpea pasta at the beginning of your week. Cook it just until al dente, so it holds up perfectly in the fridge and keeps its satisfying bite. Next, whip up a silky green sauce by blitzing together fresh spinach, fragrant basil, a clove of garlic, a squeeze of lemon juice, a glug of olive oil, and a splash of pasta water. The result? A vibrant, creamy sauce that's bursting with nutrients and flavor. Once your pasta is cool, toss it generously in the green sauce. Then, layer in toasted pine nuts for crunch, juicy cherry tomatoes, and crisp cucumber for freshness. Each ingredient adds a new texture and taste. For a protein boost, top your bowl with shredded chicken, hearty chickpeas, or flaked salmon. This makes your meal more filling and keeps you satisfied for hours. Thanks to the fiber from the veggies and the protein you've added, you'll stay full and energized. No more afternoon slump or mindless snacking. Make a big batch of the green sauce and store it in the fridge. It keeps beautifully, so you can assemble a fresh, healthy meal in minutes, any day of the week. This meal is more than just food. It's a statement that you value your time, your health, and your energy. It's meal prep made simple, smart, and delicious. Quick to make, endlessly customizable, and absolutely brilliant for lunch or dinner. This is the kind of meal you'll look forward to. Batch it, toss it, and eat like a champion. With this cold green pasta bowl, you're always just minutes away from a meal that fuels your best self. Always in a rush and feel like you never have time to eat well? No worries, here's your new secret weapon. No-cook Chickpea Tuna Salad Wraps, ready in just 5 minutes, no stove or microwave required. Start by draining a can of tuna, then mash half a can of chickpeas in a bowl for that creamy texture. Add the rest of the chickpeas whole for a satisfying bite. Toss in some diced red onion for zing, chopped celery for crunch, and a handful of fresh parsley for a burst of color and freshness. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice for brightness, and drizzle with a little olive oil to bring everything together. Add a spoonful of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick, then season generously with salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up until you get a chunky, creamy salad that's bursting with flavor and texture. Perfect for a quick meal. Spoon the mixture onto a whole wheat tortilla or a crisp lettuce leaf, and top with a handful of fresh spinach for extra greens and nutrients. Roll it up tightly. No mess. Just a high-protein, high-fiber lunch that's filling and energizing, all in under 5 minutes. The best part? You can make the salad mix ahead of time. It keeps fresh in the fridge for several days, so you're always ready for a quick meal. Prep a batch on Sunday, and you've got lunch sorted for half the week. Just grab, wrap, and go. No cooking, barely any dishes, and cleanup takes seconds. It's the ultimate meal for busy days. So, stop making excuses. Start making these wraps. They're fast, healthy, portable, and taste amazing. Make this your new go-to lunch. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Try it today, and see how easy healthy eating can be. Meal prep doesn't have to be boring or repetitive. In fact, it can be a creative, colorful experience that you look forward to every single day. Enter Asian Peanut Noodle Jars, your new go-to for a lunch that's as beautiful as it is delicious. These jars are packed with flavor, texture, and vibrant colors. Start by layering a mason jar with a rich, creamy peanut sauce. It's a blend of peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, sesame oil, and a splash of hot water, whisked until smooth and irresistible. Next, add a generous helping of soba noodles, For protein, choose from edamame, tofu, or shredded chicken, whatever suits your mood or dietary needs. Then, pile on the vibrant veggies, grated carrots, crisp red cabbage, sweet bell peppers and refreshing cucumber. Each layer adds crunch and a burst of color. Top it all off with a handful of fresh greens, aromatic cilantro or mint, and a sprinkle of crushed peanuts or sesame seeds for that perfect finishing touch. Seal the jar tightly. Not only does it look like a work of art, but it also keeps everything fresh and crisp until lunchtime. It's almost too pretty to eat, almost. When you're ready to eat, just give the jar a good shake to mix all those delicious layers, then pour it into a bowl. Instantly, you have a crunchy, flavor-packed noodle salad that's anything but ordinary. Meal prep becomes something to show off. Fun, fresh, and guaranteed to make your coworkers a little jealous. Build a rainbow in a jar and watch your lunch hour transform. This is meal prep, upgraded to a whole new level. No more sad desk salads or uninspired lunches. Say goodbye to bland and hello to bold, fresh flavors. Just shake, pour, and enjoy your lunchtime masterpiece. It's healthy, satisfying, and absolutely stunning, every single time. Feeling sluggish? Reset with a lemon quinoa and cucumber power bowl. Cook quinoa ahead. Cool it down for freshness. Mix with loads of chopped cucumber, parsley, and mint. Dress with lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toss gently for a zesty, hydrating bowl. Add toasted almonds and crumbled feta for protein and crunch, or avocado for dairy-free. Light, energizing, and satisfying. Perfect for beating afternoon fog. No fancy ingredients, just clean, pure flavor. Assemble in minutes. Feel great for hours. Your reset button, ready to go. Get it in you. 4 p.m. cravings. Crush them with a cottage cheese berry crunch cup. Full-fat cottage cheese for protein and creaminess. Top with mixed berries, fresh or frozen, for sweetness and antioxidants. Add a tablespoon of low-sugar granola or toasted nuts and seeds for crunch. Optional drizzle of honey or maple syrup, sprinkle of cinnamon. Dessert for breakfast or the perfect snack. Prep in jars for grab-and-go convenience. 2 minutes to assemble, hours of satisfaction. No sugar crash, just steady energy. High protein, low sugar, totally delicious. Snacking, reinvented. It's a no-brainer. Healthy can be gourmet. Try a smoked salmon and avocado rice bowl. Use pre-cooked brown rice, warmed and seasoned with rice vinegar and salt, topped with silky smoked salmon and sliced avocado. Add cucumber, radish and edamame for crunch and color. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, furikake, or nori. Optional, a touch of sriracha or wasabi for heat. Restaurant-quality meal in under 10 minutes, packed with omega-3s, healthy fats and protein. Balanced, beautiful, and satisfying. Perfect for a quick, elegant lunch. Fuel your brain, satisfy your soul. Brilliant. Chicken salad, reinvented. Ditch the mayo for Greek yogurt. Shred rotisserie or cooked chicken. Mix with Greek yogurt for creaminess. Add chopped celery, red onion, and halved grapes or apple for crunch and sweetness. Season with lemon juice, Dijon mustard, fresh herbs, salt, and pepper. Taste and adjust. Make it your own. Serve in wraps, on greens, with crackers, or as a sandwich. Make a big batch for easy lunches all week. High protein, low fat, and full of flavor. Versatile, healthy, and smart. Classic, upgraded. Meal prep made easy. Enjoy. Lunch should be a celebration. Try the edamame and corn fiesta bowl. Thaw frozen edamame and corn, add rinsed black beans. Mix in diced red bell pepper, red onion, and jalapeno for crunch and heat. Dress with lime juice, olive oil, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Shake up the dressing, pour over the bowl, and toss with fresh cilantro. Eat right away or let flavors meld. Serve solo or over quinoa or lettuce. Plant-based, protein-packed, and vibrant. Healthy eating, made fun. Fast, fresh, and filling. A fiesta in every bite. Dig in. Need lunch on the run? Try the Mediterranean hummus lunchbox. Spoon hummus into a bento box, drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with paprika or za'atar. Add crunchy veggies, cucumber, carrot, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes. Include olives and feta for protein and healthy fats. Add whole wheat pita triangles or almonds for complex carbs. No cooking, just smart assembly. Customize with your favorites. Prep a few boxes for the week. Lunch is sorted, balanced, satisfying, and portable. Mediterranean flavors, zero effort. Grab, go, and enjoy. Foolproof. Start your day strong with a matcha energy smoothie. Blend Greek yogurt or protein powder, frozen banana, spinach, chia seeds or avocado, matcha powder, and almond milk. Thick, creamy, and naturally sweet, matcha gives you calm, focused energy. No jitters, no crash. Packed with antioxidants, protein, and healthy fats. Sneak in veggies before 9 a.m. Ready in minutes, keeps you full until lunch. Vibrant green, delicious taste. Your new morning ritual. Ditch the sugary coffee. Start with a win. Power up. 10 SlimSync meals. Fast, healthy, and delicious. No more excuses. These recipes fit your schedule and your goals. Take control, fuel your body, and work smart in your kitchen. You have the tools. Build a healthier, stronger you. Eating well is a privilege and the foundation for success. Join our community. Like, subscribe, and get cooking. Your kitchen, your victory.